Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me. So let's get into it. I'm going to start out by priming my face using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer to prime my face before put on my foundation. I'm just going to use a little bit, prime my cheeks and up above my lip. This is like my second time using this primer, so yeah. Don't know how it's gonna turn out. Let me move the camera a little bit. Okay. And then I'm gonna use the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Espresso to carve out my eyebrows. Yeah. So I'm bringing the mirror up close so I can do this. So I'm just gonna outline my eyebrows and then I'm gonna fill them in a little bit. Then I'm gonna take the concealer and carve them bitches out. Period. Then I'm gonna take the spoolie part and just kind of brush it lightly to smooth it out. So to cover up my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and it's in the shade Tan Neutral. Then I'm just gonna take this Morphe M124 brush to carve out my eyebrows. Okay, so now that I got my eyebrow shape, I'm just gonna take the concealer and place it over my eyelid. I like this concealer. Like, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is my first time using it, but it's real smooth and creamy, like it just glides on. Then I'm gonna take a Real Techniques brush and just blend it on out. I don't know why I pushed the mirror back, cause your girl cannot see. So, just gonna take the brush and blend the concealer out. You just wanna tap it. You don't wanna like smear it or drag your brush across. You just wanna tap it. Now my lips are dry as a motherfucker. God damn. Some chapstick on. Shit. Now I'm just gonna use the Lux Pro powder to set my concealer. And I'm gonna use a blending sponge, makeup sponge, whatever. It's a sponge. You can get that from the hair store. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior palettes. And for my first shade, I'm going to be using Cano. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it. So I'm using Cano and put it right up in here. I'm just tapping the eyeshadow, because you don't want to drag it across. You just want to tap, 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 tap. So today I'm just keeping it real cute, real simple. So for my next shade, I'm going to be using this one. And I think it's pronounced Ahosi. It's Ahosi. don't really care, but it's the shade I'm finna use. I'm just finna place that on the places that I didn't use the other eyeshadow shade at. Like so. And you just wanna tap, 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 tap. So then I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend the two shades together and I'm using a Ruby Kiss brush. It's a taper eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna take this brush and then blend the two eyeshadows together. So now that that's done, eyelashes I'm gonna be using today is the Depot Mink by my girl Imani. You can follow her on Instagram at RX Lash Control. Period. Then I also have her glue to go with it, and what I like about this glue is it's white, so once it dries clear, that's how you know you're ready to put on your eyelashes. You just want to take the glue and just want to put it on just the strip of the lash, the strip, the band, whatever. You don't want to put it. You don't want to put the glue on the actual hair because you'll mess up your eyelashes like that. Then I'm also going to use that glue to apply close by my lash line. So while that is drying, I'm going to apply my foundation. The foundation I'm going to use today is the Revlon Color Stay in the shade 375. And I'm just going to take another Real Techniques brush to apply my foundation. Gonna take another blending sponge to blend it even more. So now I'm about to take my tweezers to apply my eyelashes. Baby, when I put them eyelashes on, you can't tell me a motherfucking thing. Alright, so boom. Another tip when putting on eyelashes, you want to get your eyelashes and you want to shape them to your eye shape, because sometimes the lashes come too big, so you want to place them on your eyes and then cut them to your eye length, eye shape, whatever. Cut them so they can fit. So now the same concealer that I used to do my eyebrows, I'm going to use that same concealer to highlight my face. So now I'm just going to take another makeup sponge and I'm going to just blend everything out. everything out. So now I'm just going to be using this Black Radiance foundation stick. I will let y'all know what color it is, but I don't know, and it doesn't say. All it has on the bottom is 6823. So again, this is the Black Radiance foundation stick, and I'm gonna use that to contour my face. And now I'm just gonna take a brush to blend everything out. I don't know what type of brush this is. It comes from the hair store. Like, it doesn't even have a name on it or anything. So I'm just take that to blend out where I contoured it. Take a sponge to blend my forehead out because that brush is not working. So I'm still working on learning how to contour my nose. I see other people just do it, just do it, and it just be perfect. But every time I do it, it's either too harsh or it just don't be giving. So let me try. I done wiped away a little bit of the concealer on my nose. So I'm just add a little bit more. Just take out a blending brush and blend it back on in. It looks straight or whatever. It looks straight. Okay, now I feel that everything is blended. And I'm going to set my highlight using this same powder. A lot of people bake and let the powder sit, but I've tried baking in the past, and when I bake, even though I have oily skin, like it just really dries out my skin like a fucking biscuit or something, and it be looking real. I be looking real casket sharp. So I'm just gonna take this brush and wipe away the powder. So to set my contour, I'm going to be using this Ruby Kisses 3D contour palette in the shade medium. And I'm going to be using this shade. tap it in. It's very pigmented, so you don't want to like use a lot. So yeah, I would say my nose, but right now I think I did my nose okay. And when I put like a powder on top of it to try and set it, like I look stupid as fuck. So I'm not even gonna set it, and I'm not going nowhere important anyway. So I'm just going to eat. Now for my lips, I'm gonna be using the NK Bow Lip Liner, and it's in the shade, and it's in the shade brown. But you can really use like any lip liner for your lips. So for the inside of my lips, I'm gonna be using the Ruby Kisses in the shade Dune. Is this the kind of got over my lip liner, so gonna just go in, fix it. So then for my highlight, I'm gonna be using the Revolution Pro, and this is in the shade Golden Glare. Before I put on my highlight, I'm gonna use the Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Spray, because when you put your setting spray on before your highlight, it makes your highlight pop out even more. Take a fan brush and just apply it up on my cheek. And I'm applying some on my nose as well. So now what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna curl my hair. Or should I just leave it in a pony? I don't know. But that's pretty much it. That's how I do my makeup. Okay, y'all, so I'm done. I put on my clothes because I'm finna get ready and drink some mimosas. So yeah, this is the finished look. This is how I do my makeup. And again, like I said, I'm still trying to practice on how to contour this nose, baby. But this is it. I just want to say I will be putting out more makeup videos, like doing different things. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not trying to be. I just like wearing makeup. I like looking at myself. And I'm pretty, so there you have it. So yeah. Again, oh yeah, all the products that I use in this video can be purchased at Walmart, Target, Ulta. Oh, baby. Period. So yeah, again, thank you for watching and tune in for the next video.